Hello there. Let's do accounting. On today's lesson, I'm going to give you an overview of grade 12 accounting topics. In grade 12, topics are divided into two papers, paper 1 and 2, and there are changes and new topics. We will start by discussing paper 1. This paper is dominated by one topic, companies. On the screen, I've written down the concepts relating to companies. Companies is the biggest section in your exam. You should try to spend more time on it. Use mobile notes to learn these concepts. The first concept is company general ledger accounts. There are 7 unique ledger accounts that you are going to learn about in grade 12. Ledger account contains a record of business transactions. It is a separate record within the general ledger that is assigned to a specific asset, liability, and equity item. The company ledger accounts are used to record transactions like buying and selling of shares, payment of tax to SARS, payment and declaration of dividends to shareholders, and also division of profit. The second concept is financial statements. Financial statements are formal records of the financial activities and position of a business. Balance sheet, income statement, and cash flow statement are company financial statements you are going to learn about in grade 12. The third concept, statement of cash flows. This is the new financial statement that was not there in grade 11. It is not difficult at all. It is made up of notes like balance sheet. Cash flow statement shows the movement of money in and out of a company. It summarizes the amount of cash entering and leaving a company. The fourth concept is analysis and interpretation of financial statements. These are ratios and comments. You did this in grade 11, the formulas are still the same. There are 3 new ratios that were added in grade 12 that are related to company which you did not do in grade 11. You just need to know the formulas. The fifth concept is audit report and internal control. This concept is about auditing financial statements by external auditors and after they may express an opinion on the audit report. There are 3 types of audit reports that you are going to learn about. The last concept of the companies is corporate governance. Corporate governance is the structure of rules, practices, and processes used to direct and manage a company. It is important for you to learn these concepts. These concepts are the ones that you are going to deal with in term 1. The second topic is fixed assets. This topic can show up on both papers. There are no changes in this topic. The work is still the same. On paper 1 you will only be asked to complete the fixed assets note. On paper 2 you have to understand the internal control regarding the fixed assets and you should be able to prepare the asset disposal account. Paper 2 has 5 different topics. Under these topics there are lots of new things that you're going to learn about, which were not done in grade 11. The first topic is inventory system. Inventory is a current asset. In this topic, the problem you are going to face in grade 12 is not the recording of the movement of stock throughout the year, but how to value it at the end of the year. The account for inventory involves determining the correct unit counts comprising ending inventory and then assigning a value to those units. This is the easiest topic in accounting. You can even get full marks in exam if you practice it well. The second topic is cost accounting or manufacturing. In grade 11 we concentrated on the ledger accounts of a manufacturing business and the calculation of costs. You are still going to do that all, but the focus will be on new things. You are going to be introduced to production cost statement and a short income statement. The production cost statement shows exactly the same information as the ledger accounts and it has notes to show how the figures are calculated. The third topic is reconciliation. This topic is big as there are some few things that were added. In this topic you are still going to deal with bank reconciliation and the creditors reconciliation. The new things that were added are internal creditors reconciliation, debtors reconciliation, and debtors age analysis. You need to understand how to reconcile to ace this topic. The fourth topic is value-added tax, VAT. You need to understand all VAT concepts even though they will not be asked. For example, types of VAT. In grade 12 you will only be required to do VAT control and other theoretical questions related to VAT. The last topic is budgeting. There are no changes in this topic. The work is still the same. It's just that in grade 12 you will not required to draw cash budget and projected income statement. You will only be asked to fill in the missing figures and also to complete debtors collection schedule and creditors payment schedule. In grade 12 there is lots of interpretation under budgeting. Thanks for watching. If you find this video helpful, let me know on the comment section. Press like button and don't forget to subscribe.